How to turn off professional mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now wait for some time. Now simply scroll down. Now under for professionals, simply tap on creator tools and controls. If you don't find the setting here, simply go back to the source bar, tap on the source bar, now type creator. Now tap on creator tools and controls. Now scroll down and tap on switch account type. Now if you want to switch to business account, select switch to business account, or if you want to switch to personal account, tap on switch to personal account. Again tap on switch to personal account and wait for some time. Now once the process is complete, you will turn off professional account on account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.